Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a week update with the platform Druidpay. Slightly late on this one since I've been away, but we are back and ready to dive into my earnings so far and how the platform has been going overall. Of course, remember the usual disclaimer though, that nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Treat this strictly for educational purposes. So if you want some deeper platform details, I'd recommend checking out the initial video we did last week on Druidpay. This goes into the platform itself, but we can dive straight into the dashboard and take a look at how things have been going for me. So here on the homepage here, we can see we've got an account balance currently at $54, earnings are totaling at 108. So we did a $200 deposit in the first video. So far have earned 108. So over a 50% ROI so far, which is looking very, very nice. So what we will do is a withdrawal here. So in the withdrawal section, of course, you can use various different cryptocurrencies on the platform, the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum. USDT, of course, is what I will be doing. And this is on the Tron network TRC20. So we have $54 in profit, which you can do a withdrawal for. So we can simply hit request here and that will be submitted. So here we can see to my wallet, we can confirm this and that is our withdrawal requested. So the withdrawals on these platforms have actually come through very quickly, which is great to see. So when you request a withdrawal, it sends an email that they have received your withdrawal request. And once the withdrawal has been fulfilled, you then will get a second email showing that it has been fulfilled. If we view my transactions on the platform here in history, we should be able to see, here we can see my withdrawal requests, my earnings, and here we can see when the withdrawals have been sent. So all of them have been received, which is great to see. And of course, we'll get our $54 so far. In terms of the plans, of course, in making an investment, you need to just come to the deposit section. So we have basically two types of plans on the platform. We have the short-term plans and also the long-term plans here. So we have the short-term plan. Well, it's probably easier actually if we go on the homepage here, because this gives us a better view. So the short-term plan 1 is 12.5% daily. This is just a 10-day plan here. Your capital is actually included in the profits. So we can see your ROI is totaling 125%. But of course, this is including your principal. So you get a profit basically of 25% over that 10-day period. We also then can see the minimum investment amount for this one is $30 with a maximum of $100. Then short-term plan 2, this is 9% daily over a 15-day period. So an ROI of 135%, which gives you a profit of 35. And this is between 101 to 200. And then there are the two long-term plans here. Plan 1 at 5.4% daily for 25 days. You get your capital back at the end of the plan. So after your 25 days, capital is returned, which gives you a total return of 135% between 1,000 to 5,000. And finally, the long-term 2 to 6.71 over 35 days. ROI of 335%, giving a total return of 235, and this is between 100 to 25,000. So you have various different plans on offer. Again, I guess if you just want to test out the platform, the short-term plan 1 is great. You get a 25% return over just a 10-day period, and you get capital paying every single day. And you can start with a little of just $30. Here we can of course see a example. So if you're in plan 1 with $30, you'll get a net profit of 7.5 over a 10-day period. Plan 2, if you had the $200, for example, that would net you 70 in profit, so 270 return. Long-term plan 1, a 200 deposit is a very higher net at 270. But of course you have to wait the full 25 days to get your capital back. And of course long-term plan 2 is a high yield. If you did $200, that'd be a net of 470. And of course, it'd be 670 after your capital is returned. But of course, my plan here has been going pretty well so far. Of course, we've done our withdrawals basically once. Well, we're nearly at a full ROI. And of course, we will be getting our capital return because we are in the long-term plan, which is great. But I hope you did enjoy today's video. Again, we'll check back in next week with an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.